Hanging on a Schluter E-shelf with some crazy flex, if you can see that. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we have a test, an experiment, if you will. Now, I did a video on the Schluter E-shelf. Link right there if you want to check that video out. And I had a lot of comments stating the fact that this shelf is weak, the shelf will fail, the shelf will break off, fall off because of the small tabs that are used to install the shelf. Now, that sparked an interest for me to test the integrity, the strength of the E-shelf. So what we're going to do is simple. We're going to hang a lot of weight on this shelf to see how well it holds up and how strong the shelf is. Now let's quickly run the clip of mocking this up and we'll get right to testing. Okay, I got the two walls mocked up. We've got 2x4s, 1/2 inch concrete backer board. It is all squared up. Everything is screwed in. Everything is extremely rigid. So what we're going to do now is install 12 inch by 24 inch rectified porcelain tiles. We're gonna run it horizontally and install the shelf right in the middle. And here's the Schluter E-shelf, wrapped in steel wire rope, and it's clamped in. We will first test it with a 90-pound block. If it holds up with the 90-pound block, we will move to a second 90-pound block, and if it holds 180 pounds, we will then move forward and add 5 pounds of block, one at a time. So let's install some tile. We have our ledger boards in to hold the tile up. Okay, time to install the shelf. Here we go. Now what I'm going to do is let this thin set cure and dry, and then I'm going to run a bead of white 100% silicone where the shelf meets the tile on the top as well as the bottom. Let everything set up for 48 hours, and then we're going to come back and do the weight test. See how much weight this shelf can hold. I'm not sure what's going to go first, whether the edge of the tile is going to crack or break, or if it's simply going to be pulled out of the grout joint. So I have absolutely no idea how much weight this shelf can hold. I'm going to throw out a guess. I imagine it can hold more than 100 pounds. All right, guys, we'll be back in a couple of days. Okay, we're back. Let's get right to the test. Here we go. Here is the shelf again, installed with thin set mortar as well as white silicone on the top and the bottom. And here is the 90-pound block that we're going to hang to show you the strength and integrity of the Schluter E-shelf. Okay, here goes nothing. It holds 90 pounds. So I'm going to add an additional 90 pounds, making it a total of 180 pounds, and then I will continue to add weight there. Oh yeah. Okay. Please don't follow me. Wow, holding 180 pounds. Let me show you. And look at that flex. 180 pounds. All I have left is 50 additional pounds, so that'll max this out at 230 pounds of weight on the Schluter E-shelf. Here we go. 185 pounds. $90, 195, 200 pounds. At this point, I can crawl up there and sit on that shelf. 205. 210. 215. 220. It is bending like crazy. 225 and 230. This is getting a little dangerous here. Bricks keep falling off, but this is the last one. There it is. Let's show you. So here it is. I am impressed. That is crazy. This is 230 pounds of brick off the ground, hanging on a Schluter E-shelf with some crazy flex, if you can see that. Goes to show the strength and integrity of this fantastic shelf. 4 little tabs sitting inside of a 1/16 inch of a grout line. It holds up extremely well. There it is, guys. No, this shelf is not weak. No, it will not fall off, break off. Again, very impressed. Well, there you go. Thank you for watching this quick, fun test experiment with the Schluter E-shelf. The thing is a beast. 230 pounds. And again, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video if you think somebody might think it's cool, and I'll see you on the next one.